Back to my channel. Here we want to draw the left hand elevation of this object as we have drawn the front elevation and the plan. Do not forget that we are making these views in first angle projection. As I said that in first angle projection, the front elevation is laid up here or is drawn up here, while the plan is drawn below the front elevation as we have it here. Now we want to draw the left hand elevation. Left hand elevation simply means this is my left hand. That means I'm looking at this object from the left side. So whatever I see around here is what I will produce. But in first angle projection, the left hand elevation is placed on the right side of the front elevation. Let me say it again. In first angle orthographic projection, the left hand elevation is placed or is drawn on the right side of the front elevation. So we are drawing it here on this right side. Okay, so the object is being viewed in this direction. So we are looking at it in this direction. We are going to see a rectangle on this surface, a rectangle of this surface. Okay, so of length 38. So the length is 38 for this rectangle that we are going to see on this surface of this part. Then we are going to see a rectangle here also down here of length 40 millimeters, because we have that from here to here is 40 millimeters. So we are going to see that. Then we are going to see this cylinder. Okay, we are going to see a rectangle for this cylinder. So we only produce for this one because both of them are in line. So we only draw for this one. So one that we are going to draw will represent both of them. So let's see how it goes. And then this hole is going to be hidden from us also. So let's see how it goes. So what we have to do is to take the 45 degrees set square. So we take the 45 degrees set square. We set it at this point on the front elevation. Setting it at this point on the front elevation, this point here. Then we draw an inclined line. So let me come down a bit. So we draw an inclined line. That line will be at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So it goes like this. So I need to extend this line, okay, to meet this line, to meet this inclined line like this, okay. Also, this center line, we also need to extend it to touch the inclined line that we just drew, okay. Then I will extend this line. So extend this line to touch the line, so like this, okay. So now, then I also need to extend this line. I will extend this line like this, and then I will extend this line here. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do, I believe you can see what I'm doing. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so wherever these horizontal lines that we drew out of the plan touch this inclined line, so it touches it here, it touches it here, it touches it here, it touches it here, and it touches it here. So we are going to draw vertical lines from each of them. So starting from here, so I'm going to draw a vertical line. So that vertical line, I'll just chop it around here. Okay, so draw a vertical line here. Okay, so and then so coming to, so this is a center line. So I will draw this as a center line for this hole that we have here, or for the circle that we have down here. So I will draw so the center line like this. Okay, so that's okay there. Then coming to this point here, so I will draw a vertical line. And then so coming here, so this is a center line for these circles that we have here. So I will draw a vertical center line. Then coming to this end, so I will draw a vertical line to stop here. Alright, so for this rectangle that we have here, and for this rectangle that we have here, and for this rectangle, let's bring that out. So for this one, I'll just follow this line. It starts from here, so from this end, so going on this line, so we have it here, just go up on this line. So we have it here being drawn from here to here. And for this end here, for the end of this part, so if I follow this line, so coming here, it is from here to here, okay. And then so for this one that we have here, so we start from here, and then the end of it, so So this is the beginning of it. So it goes like this. So we still have it to be merged with this one. Then for this one, so we have it. So we go up on this vertical line. Then we have this point and this point here. So we are going to make the whole of this. So we are going to make it to be feasible. So let's bring it out at once. So this is it. Okay. All right. So and then so we also draw this. Okay. Then so we make this a thick line, and then we make this a thick line like this. Then this line also, so we make it a thick line. Okay, so we have that base part. So this rectangle is here and this rectangle is here. So we have it there. So the next thing that we are going to do is that of this cylindrical part. So what I will just do in this case, so okay, the lines are many, but it's not compulsory that I produce all. So what I'm going to do now is that, so for the height of the cylindrical part, so I'm going to, so for the height of the cylindrical part, so I'm going to draw, okay, so I'll just use my ruler to draw the line. So to extend the line, so I'll just, so, alright, so I'll just draw like this. Okay, so the diameter of the outer part is 32. So I will take 16 to the left side and 16 to the right side. So making 32. Then for the inner part, so the diameter is 18. So the radius is 9. So I'll take 9 to the left side, and then so 9 to the right side, so that we can complete it. So then I will take my set square. So I'm going to draw, so this line, so will be a thick line. So because then the elevation of that cylindrical part is also a rectangle. So as you can see it here, so this is it. Then the hole inside, it is hidden from us. So we also make it with short dashes line like this. So we do the same thing here. Okay, so then we make this line a thick line. Make it a thick line. So don't forget that we are drawing the left hand elevation. So what about this hole that we have here? So the diameter is 12. So the radius is 6. So we just come here. So we take 6. This is the center. So we take 6 millimeters to the left side and 6 millimeters to the right side. So we have it like this. So then it's also hidden. So it is hidden. So we also draw it with short dashes lines. So just draw like this. So as we did for that of the front elevation. So we also make this. Okay. Alright, so this is left hand elevation as we are looking at the object in this direction. So this is, we are looking at it in the direction. As I said, we see this rectangle here, which is this rectangle, the rectangle on this surface, which is this. So for the cylindrical part, this is what we have, and for this hole that is hidden, we have it here. So this is the left hand elevation. So let's meet for a video on that of the right hand elevation. Thank you, and God bless you.